this is Monica, a inequality analyst at Kaiser. First of all, thanks to all who are watching. In this session, we will explore an often underestimated topic in e-commerce testing, which is manual testing. Before we move on, let me ask you this. How do the testing strategies account for human unpredictability? This is where manual testing bridges the gap. The continuous relevance of manual testing that many consider as old-fashioned in this era of automating anything and everything. And with the rise of automation tools and AI driven testing strategies, it's easy to assume that manual testing has taken a backseat. But in reality, human touch remains irreplaceable, especially in a dynamic and customer centric industry like e commerce. Let's start with addressing a fundamental question. What is the testing so critical in e commerce? In the world of e commerce, the website or app is not just a platform, it's business people's storefront, their brand ambassador, and the direct link to their customers. Every interaction a customer has, from browsing products to making a payment and checkout, it shapes their perspective of the business. Even if the smallest functionality fails, the ripple effect can be costly, not just in a terms of revenue, but also in human trust. Of course, automation test is often hailed as savior when it comes to repetitive and faster testing. But manual testing brings something unique to the table. A human insight? There is a reason it hasn't disappeared and it never will. Let's see why it matters so much. Let's talk about something we often taken for granted, which is human experience. We all know human experience is or user experience is more than just functionality. Manual testing identifies a pain point that automation can't. Imagine visiting a beautifully designed store where the shelves are consistently empty despite being items displayed as available, or you have trouble finding the checkout counter. Even the store products is top notch. If the customer becomes discouraged and leave without making a payment, if their shopping experience restrained by these issues, the same goes for e-commerce platform. Automation slowly focuses on verifying whether the features are working properly, whether the buttons are leading to the correct pages, and payment gateway transaction process. Manual testing asks, how does it feel to use this feature? Does the navigation flow make sense, or is the add to cart button is easily accessible throughout the site? For example, the site may pass automated tests with flying colors, but manual testing notices that the checkout button is barely visible on mobile devices. These kind of human intuition or the insights is something only human touch can bring. Now that we have established that user experience is more than just functionality, let's also talk about how to elevate it even further. This brings us to an exploratory testing. The approach thrives on curiosity and creativity. Think about it. A customers are in bots, following predefined scripts. They are real people, people who are unpredictable. They may click where they are not supposed to. They may switch tabs during their transactions, and they may tend to refresh the pages multiple times. Manual testing can simulate these kind of real-world scenarios through exploratory testing. For instance, a customer decides to remove an item from the cart, simultaneously applying a discount code. Automation might not cover this scenario unless it's explicitly programmed. The manual testing discovered that when the user applies a discount code, the site wouldn't update the final price immediately until they refresh it. Exploratory testing will uncover these issues, which is costing the business revenue. Exploratory testing often uncovers issues related to functionality. But what about the way the platform looks? This brings us to the next area where manual testing is crucial for visual and aesthetic validation. In e commerce, captivating first impressions are essential. You only have few seconds to grab a user's attention, and striking visuals are key to this, and it can create an impact. Can automation tell you if the image is pixelated, a button is misaligned, or the font size is too small on the mobile devices? Automated tools can catch functional defects, but aesthetics, doubt, right? That's where the human eye and the judgment comes in. Imagine you are shopping on a site and the add to cart button is a shade of gray that looks like it is disabled or inactive, even though it's functional. As a user, would you want to fix it or you just leave the page? That's the kind of scenario we are talking about here. Color and contrast during a festive season needs a human eye to validate whether it appeals to the buyers. Manual testing takes the limit on time to explore these differences. They view the site as how customers would on various browsers, screen sizes, and resolutions. It's just not about finding bugs. It's more about ensuring that the entire user experience feels smooth and trustworthy. Let's emphasize human touch is required during the unpredictable changes. E commerce is unpredictable. Trend changes, customer demand changes, and competitors may launch new features out of the blue. In these scenarios, manual testing offers adaptability. It's about having a person who can think critically, ask, does this feel right, and adjust their approach based on what they can see and what their clients would love to have in their online stores. So, whether it's a surprise product drop or last minute promo or a quick design update, you don't always have time to write and debug automation scripts. What you need is someone, a manual tester, who can jump in, look at the new elements, and make sure everything will work consistently. Now, we have talked about how manual testing shines during unpredictable changes like last minute updates or flash sales. But let's not stop there. If there is one area where the human touch is absolutely essential, it's accessibility. Because at the end of the day, it's not just about adapting to changes, it's about ensuring all the users, everyone can navigate and enjoy shopping in the website, regardless of their disabilities or abilities. Accessibility is more than just a checkbox. It's about welcoming everyone, especially individuals with disabilities, older users, or anyone who are relying on assistive technologies to shop. To the e commerce platform, when we think of accessibility, it's not just about following standards, it's more about understanding how real people interact with the site. Manual testing allows us to simulate diverse user needs in a way that automation simply can't. It's the human touch that ensures buttons are easy to navigate, texts are readable, and interactive element functions smoothly for individuals who struggles to shop. Without it, we risk leaving behind a significant part of our audience, and no business can afford that. Think about it. When the platform feels inclusive and welcome to everyone, it's not just about compliance, it's a good business. Manual testing ensures that inclusivity is more than just a buzzword. Speaking of creating inclusive experiences, let's shift our focus to another critical aspect of global e commerce: multi currency support. Accessibility ensures that everyone can use the platform, but multi currency supports ensures that the platform feels local, no matter where the customer is shopping from. And trust me, getting this right is just as crucial to building a consistent user experience. Global customers expect experience that feels local, and nothing breaks trust faster than the mismatching prices or payment options. Multi-currencies are not just about conversion rates, it also ensures that every element feels natural and trustworthy to the customers. Manual testing brings human perspective to verify things like prices, currency symbols, give confidence to the users that they are seeing prices in their own currency format, and the checkout process makes sense across region. It also spot issues that automation overlooks, like inconsistency or error that might frustrate or confuse users. When the platform seems or seamless, no matter where the customers are shopping from, you are not only offering convenience, but you are building trust, which is invaluable in e commerce. We have talked about making the platform accessible and trusted globally. But let's not forget about the backbone that makes it all possible: APIs. While accessibility and multi currencies are what the customers see, APIs are the engines running behind the scenes, making everything work together. And ensuring those engines run smoothly is where manual testing becomes irreplaceable. APIs are the hidden heroes of e commerce. They make everything from payment to product recommendations work. But here is the thing, while automation can test if APIs function properly, it takes a manual testers to confirm that they deliver. Manual testing ensures that the data flowing through APIs creates a seamless, intuitive experience to the customers. From the accuracy of information to the speed of responses, it's the manual tester's eye that guarantees the platform doesn't just work, it works well. When it validates API, they are ensuring the platform keeps its promises. Whether it's delivering accurate product details, giving genuine prices to the customers, ensuring smooth checkouts, or syncing across systems effortlessly. We have talked about why manual testing is important for e commerce overall. But let's narrow it down to one of the most critical times for any online business: peak seasons. Whether it's Black Friday or any holiday or even a flash sale, these are the moments that can make or break the platform. And trust me, this is where manual testing can truly save the day. When it comes to peak seasons, the customers don't act by the book. They rush, they panic, they jump between tabs, and sometimes they will refresh the page multiple times before clicking checkout. Automation is great for scale, but it's not so great at imitating these messy human behaviors. This is where manual testing steps in. You can have testers do exactly what real users would, like comparing prices in multiple tabs or adding items to the cart while the page is still loading. For instance, testers identifying during manual testing that their cart would reset if a user browsed in incognito mode. Imagine that happening during a sale. While you can write code for messy scenarios like multiple clicks, back and forth navigations, or random field entries, scripting all these possibilities can become time consuming and complex. Manual testing can quickly cover such scenarios without the need to modify or extend existing automation scripts. The agility that often complements automation in such scenarios. Okay, let's talk about critical parts: the soul of the e-commerce platform. The MERS workflow, like search, add to cart, applying discounts, payment, and checkout. Even if one of these fails during peak traffic, you lose customer. Now imagine this. What's the one thing you absolutely hate during checkout? Maybe a lagging page or an error message right before clicking on the checkout button. During a big sale, a tester might try entering the wrong payment info and then switching to another method. Or they might test how quickly the checkout pages loads when the thousands of users on it at once. Fixing that one issue saved that website hundreds of abandoned carts. Peak seasons don't just bring high traffic, they also bring weird, unpredictable test cases, or the scenarios that we call edge cases. And let me tell you, these cases only pop up at the worst possible time. For instance, imagine two customers trying to buy the last available item in stock. So, what happens now? Does the system oversell it? Or one of the customer loses it because the system freezes? These are situations and scenarios where manual tester can completely explore. That is also in another case. What if the customer refreshes the checkout page multiple times in frustration? Or what if they click back after the payment has been done? These might seem very unlike edge cases, right? But during peak seasons, they are more common than you think. Manual testing helps you to be prepared for these weird, unpredictable scenarios and situations. Let's also talk about stress testing. Is it all about figuring out how much traffic the site can handle, or if the million users visits it, it will break? Imagine this. Black Friday sale is upon us. The website is flooded with millions of visitors and the orders are flying in. But something is amiss. Code abandonment rates are soaring and customers are facing unexpected errors. Your automated tests are passed. So what went wrong? This scenario highlights our critical situations. Automation is powerful indeed, but it has its limitations. It cannot replicate the human element, the nuisance of how real people interact with the system. Manual oversight adds a layer to the human intuition. Again, an example. While the automated test might tell you that the traffic is handled just fine in the site, A manual tester can find that the product details like prices and images are loading slower than normal, or the search bar isn't as responsive as it should be. These are the smaller details that can ruin the human experience at peak sales. Can the automation notice that the glitches in prices that loads slower and shows the different prices at times? It could lead the user to search for the same product in your competitor's site. And it's not just about big numbers. Manual testers can also look at different traffic patterns like sudden spikes or gradual increases and the price glitches and everything. This helps you prepare for real world scenarios where the traffic doesn't always follow a neat pattern. Now let's find a common ground. This whole session is in to say automation doesn't have its place. It absolutely does. As the real magic happens when both manual and automation testing work together. Think of automation as the safety net for repetitive, time consuming tasks, and manual testing as a secret weapon for creativity, empathy, and attention to details. Peak seasons are the time to shine. With the right mix of manual and automation testing, you can ensure that the platform not only survives but thrives under pressure. And ultimately, that's what keeps the customer coming back, right? As we navigate the ever-changing e-commerce landscapes, it's clear that we need both approaches to create platforms that meets the demands of modern customers. So let's not see manual testing as a old-fashioned. It's an evolving practice that keeps our digital experience human-centered. Now, stress testing helps us understand that how our system holds up under extreme conditions. Here's the thing. While it's crucial, we don't test every single feature at that level. Instead, we need to be strategic. This brings us to something even more critical in e-commerce environment, risk-based testing. When working in e-commerce, everyone must understand that not all the potential functions and features are created equally. Some features are critical to the business, while others may only be peripheral. This is where risk-based testing becomes an essential strategy. It allows us to focus on what really matters, ensuring that all the testing efforts directed towards the area with highest risk of failure and the greatest potential impact on the business. For example, imagine you are working on a major e-commerce platform during any holiday sale. This is a time when website traffic spikes significantly, and if something goes wrong, it can directly affect the revenue of the company. Naturally, we would prioritize testing areas such as the checkout process, payment gateway, and the card functionality. Why? Because these are the areas that directly impact the conversion rates and user experience. If the checkout process fails or users are unable to purchase or complete their purchases, it can result in significant financial loss and customer dissatisfaction. On the other hand, less critical areas such as updating user profiles or minor cosmetic changes to the homepage might not require the same level of priority during this high risk time. Instead, we can move these to a low priority category. The idea is to evaluate the likelihood of a feature failing and the potential damage it could cause. Risk based testing helps guide these decisions, ensuring that we focus on the high impacted areas first. Another real world example could be if a new features like a quick buy or buy now buttons is introduced, the manual tester's job is to focus on high risk elements like ensuring that the button functions correctly within the checkout flow, especially under the high traffic conditions. Trusting these critical features ensures that customer can seamlessly complete their purchases during peak shopping periods. As we move on to our next topic, let's talk about the increasingly common practice of continuous deployment in modern e-commerce environment. In a continuous deployment cycle, changes are frequently pushed to production, often multiple times a day. This constant stream of updates present both an opportunity and a challenge for testing teams. In a traditional waterfall method, manual testing often occurs once the development cycle is complete. But in continuous deployment environment, updates are rolling out constantly. So manual testers must be highly adaptive and agile. While automated tests are crucial for handling repetitive tasks, Manual test remains irreplaceable when it comes to validating new features, especially those that impact the user experience. For example, let's say a new payment integration is rolled out in an e-commerce store that allows users to pay via mobile wallets. In this case, automated tests might validate basic functionalities like whether the payment method works. However, it is the manual tester's job to go deeper. They will validate how the mobile wallet integrations fits into the overall checkout process and the experience. Does it break any other workflows? Does it affect the performance or responsiveness of the page? These are the things that require human intuition and testing skills. A manual tester also has the ability to perform exploratory testing, which is a valuable approach in these fact based environments that we already covered in this webinar. When an update is released, testers can explore the new features and interact with the applications in a way that automated cannot predict. This is important for catching edge cases that might not be covered in scripted tests. We have talked about how user experience plays a huge role in e-commerce success earlier. But how do we ensure that the experience is consistently smooth and frustration free? There comes the usability testing, not just as a concept, but as a structured approach to refining how the user interact with our platform. In e-commerce, we don't just test the buttons click or pages load. We are ensuring that every interaction a customer has is intuitive, seamless, and efficient. For example, if a website introduces a new one-click checkout button, the functional testing ensures that the feature works properly. But usability testing ensures whether the user can easily find it and uses it without confusion. If the customer struggles to find a button or unsure how it works, the feature may not deliver the expected behavior or value to the business, even it works properly. Manual testers play a key role in usability testing, which simulates a real user behavior. In agile environment, we often conduct a usability testing in short iteration, where testers provide the feedback to UI developers earlier so that the developer can refine the experience before launch. A real-world example is Amazon checkout process. Their team consistently refines the design based on the usability feedback that gives the seamless and smooth experience to their customers that minimizes the code abandonment. Even a small UI changes can make a massive impact on the conversion rates, so that making the usability testing a business critical activity. Finally, let's explore the importance of cross-functional collaboration in manual testing. In an agile environment, this is an often overlooked but crucial aspect of ensuring a seamless user experience in e-commerce platforms. Unlike traditional isolated teams, agile teams are often cross-functional, meaning developers, product managers, UX designers, and testers all work closely together. This collaboration ensures the testing covers all aspects of the system, from performance to usability. Take the example of launching a newly personalized recommendation search engine to the homepage. Manual testers work with developers to understand how the features are designed and created and ensure it integrates well with the rest of the site. They will also work with UI designers to confirm that the features are presented clearly to the users. Project managers might also be involved to ensure that the recommendation aligns with business goals and user preferences. Moreover, when testers collaborate with developers in Agile environment, TDD, a test-driven development methodology provides a solid foundation for these interactions. TDD encourages collaboration between developers and testers early in the process. Before any code is written, testers define the expected behavior of a feature and developers write the code to pass those tests. This collaboration ensures that features are designed with testing in mind, preventing defects from slipping through. In the context of e commerce, this could mean working together on testing scenarios like verifying that the code retains item correctly or that coupon codes apply in a way that aligns with business logic. In addition, TDD enhances this collaboration by working closely with developers from the very start. Testers ensures that the features are built with testing in mind. This eliminates the back and forth typically seen bugs or found after the feature is developed. For example, suppose a new feature is being built to recommend products to the users based on their search history. In that case, testers can provide input on how this recommendation algorithm should behave under various scenarios, and developers can build the feature to meet those expectations. This kind of interactions and collaboration gives more value to the business and provide an exceptional valued customer experience. Thank you all for watching till the end, and I hope this session gave you a fresh perspective on manual testing and why it's still crucial in e-commerce space. Thank you once again for your time.